In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel link to Facebook. By the end, you'll have a clickable link on your Facebook page that sends people straight to your channel, which is great for growing your audience and making it easy for followers to find your videos. First, open YouTube and make sure you're signed into the account that owns the channel you want to share. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This opens a small menu. In that menu, choose the option that says View Your Channel. This takes you directly to your public channel page, the one other people see. On your channel page, just below your channel name and username, you'll see a button or text that says More or More. Click on that. A small menu will appear, and from there, select Share Channel. You might see a second confirmation that also says Share Channel. Go ahead and click that again to bring up the sharing options. In this share window, YouTube will show you a direct link to your channel. Next to that link, there's a copy button. Click Copy. This puts your full channel URL onto your clipboard so you can paste it elsewhere. Now switch over to Facebook and go to your Facebook page, not just your personal profile. Once you're on your page, look for the About section, usually in the left-hand menu or near the top. Click on About to open your page details. Inside the About section, find and click on Links. This is where Facebook lets you add websites and other important URLs connected to your page. Then choose the area labeled Websites, Blogs, Portfolios. That's the section where we'll add your YouTube channel. You'll see a field where you can type a link description. In this box, type something clear and inviting, like subscribe to my YouTube channel or watch my videos on YouTube. This is the text people will see next to your link. Just below that description field, there's another box where you can paste the actual URL. Click into that field, then paste the channel link you copied from YouTube. Once you've added your description and pasted the URL, click on Save. Facebook will store that information and display your YouTube channel link on your page. Now, anyone visiting your Facebook page can easily click through to your YouTube channel.